ಅಪ್ಪಟ ಭಾರತೀಯ ನಾರಿಯರಂತೆ ಸೀರೆ ಉಟ್ಟು ಸಂಭ್ರಮಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ವಿದೇಶಿ ನಾರಿಯರು ಭಾರತೀಯ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸವಿಸ್ತಾರವಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಾದ್ರೆ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ತವಕ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದ ಬಗೆಗಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯ ಅಷ್ಟಾಂಗಂ ಹೃದಯ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಅನಾವರಣ. ಈ ದೃಶ್ಯ ಕಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಮೊಗನ್ಸ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಎಂಪಾಸಿಸ್ ಬಳಿ ಇರುವ 𝐻𝐸 ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ರೋಗಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು 𝐻𝐸 ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ 𝐻𝐸 ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗಾಗಿ ಪೋಲೆಂಡ್ನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರುವ 11 ರೋಗಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಚಿಲಿ, ಮೆಕ್ಸಿಕೋ, ಅಮೆರಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಪೇನ್ನ 17 ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತರಬೇತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯನ್ನ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನಿಷ್ ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಮುಖಪುಟವನ್ನ ಅನಾವರಣಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವೂ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಅಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ಹೃದಯಂ ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನ ಮೂಲತಃ 𝐻𝐸 ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜನಾರ್ದನ ವಿ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಘುರಾಮ್ ವೈಎಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಚಿಲಿಯ ಪ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೋ ಮತ್ತು ಕರೀನಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನಿಷ್ ಭಾಷೆಗೆ ಅನುವಾದಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಗ್ರಂಥವು ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನಿಷ್ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದವನ್ನ ಕಲಿಯುವ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪಠ್ಯ ಪುಸ್ತಕವಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುವಂತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದ ಮಹಾಸಾಗರವನ್ನ ಸಾಗರದಾಚೆಗೂ ಪಸರಿಸಿ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗುವಂತೆ ರಚಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿ.ಜೆ. ಹೆಬ್ಬಾರ್, ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 2023ರಂದು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದ 𝐻𝐸 ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಕಳೆದ 15 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತದ ಹೊರಗಿನಿಂದ 150ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ರೋಗಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಮತ್ತು ಭಾರತದ ಹಲವು ಭಾಗಗಳಿಂದ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ರೋಗಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯನ್ನ ನೀಡಿದೆ ಎಂದು ವಿವರಿಸಿದರು. ಸಾಂಪ್ರದಾಯಿಕ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದಿಂದ ರೋಗಿಗಳನ್ನ ಗುಣಪಡಿಸುವುದು ಮತ್ತು ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಹರಡಿಸುವುದು 𝐻𝐸 ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಧ್ಯೇಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಮತ್ತು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರೂ 𝐻𝐸 ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯ ಲಾಭವನ್ನ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ವಿನಮ್ರವಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿದರು.
I still remember I came in contact with Raghuram on the first day when we entered into post-graduation. It was probably in the month of May 2005, and we were all getting together, and he came with almost 8 to 10 years of experience after graduation to post-graduation, and I just entered into post-graduation directly, and we met, and from there our friendship began, and we did the sports events together, we did many cultural events in the college together, and in 2009 we also worked as a colleague in an institute, and by 2014 when in 2009 we started 𝐻𝐸 Ayurveda, and by 2014 I quit my job as a professor to continue 𝐻𝐸 Ayurveda full time, and he was the first professor to join us to the team. At the time we were just working in the website and writing articles, making videos and all. From there till here, this journey has been a dream come true, and every day feels as if we are just into the beginning of something new, and every day has been exciting. I'm standing here, it looks as if like I have written everything and all, but it's Raghuram sir and all of my team of doctors who have been supporting me, and the therapists and the whole of 𝐻𝐸 Ayurveda team, starting from the protection guards to everyone, housekeeping and everyone. It's a team effort, but the name just gets popped up to me. So I'm thankful for everyone, and I see many of the students starting their Ayurveda career from now on. When they go back, of course they may be studying, but they will also start practicing Ayurveda in some form. I encourage everyone. For some people, they may get chance to like start their Ayurveda profession right away, but some may have to wait for some time due to personal reasons, professional reasons, etc. But there may be some difficulties in starting Ayurveda practice also, because family, life, everything comes in our way, and there will be a lot of obstructions. But my request to all of you will be to keep the lamp of Ayurveda burning in your heart and your mind, that if you have the will, you will get chance to experience and make this your Ayurveda knowledge fruitful by the special grace of Dhanvantari. If your heart is there willing, you will find the way to serve this holy science of Ayurveda. Maybe tomorrow, maybe sometime later in your life. I hope that you will be given that chance by God Dhanvantari right from tomorrow itself. But keep the aspiration live, keep studying, keep learning, and keep practicing Ayurveda at least in your friends and family level. From there, God Dhanvantari himself will guide you into the path of Ayurveda practice. So my best wishes to all of you students. And coming to the Ayurveda patient and student group from Chile, for many of them, this might be the first experience of taking Ayurveda treatments, and somebody might have taken previously also. Whatever may be our life situations, there should be some color and there should be some hope. And we should make all of our efforts to make this life fruitful and meaningful, no matter whatever stage we are in. I hope that you as their Vaidyas, we are just there as a background support, but I come to the rounds, and Sudarshan and Shilpa, everybody will come to the rounds. But at the end of the day, they are your patients, Anna and Eva. I hope that you will lead them the right path of healing, not only just to improve their health or improve their symptom or improve one lab reading. I hope that you will lead them in their life. You will help them to find the meaning of their life. Thank you very much for your kind service and grit of taking Ayurveda. I know that in the Europe, the rules are a little bit stricter for the Ayurveda practice, and still with all the difficulties and barriers, still they are doing their bit to serve this great science of Ayurveda.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ವ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಗಿನ್ನಿಸ್ ದಾಖಲೆ ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಕಲಾವಿದ ಪರೀಕ್ಷಿತ್ ನೆಲ್ಯಾಡಿ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೇರ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನ ನೀಡಿದ್ರು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಚರಕರ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನ ಚಿತ್ರಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನವಗ್ರಹ ಹೋಮ, ವಿದೇಶಿಯರಿಂದ ವಿವಿಧ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗಳ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು, ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿಗಳು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಗೊಂಡಿತು.
Hello everybody, my name is Wilma, and I can express in this moment how my body is in emotional state. All these days have been a wonderful experience. I have learned so many things. I have expanded my knowledge through wonderful teachers, educational program, different topics. So I very thankful, especially from my teacher, that gave us the opportunity to live this experience. This is my first time in India, and I've been astonished. So many wonderful places we have visited, and everybody we have oscillated for many emotions, from surprises, from crying, from happiness, from every kind of emotion. It's been from our heart. So I can express in so many words that I have to be days here talking about this experience. And on behalf of my partner, I know that we have in our heart a little bit of Indian.
My name is Francisca. I'm going to share also some words that for me, and I know that for all my classmates, has been a beautiful and amazing experience here with our teacher, because for us they are all gurus from Ayurveda. So I'm impressed about how here they work with the patient, how is the Ayurveda medicine, because in our countries we don't know how to work with patient in a holistic way. So now we have more tool to impact in other life. So I'm super happy, super grateful for all the teachers, for all the therapists here, all the doctors, because this is a beautiful place with lot of love, because we can see in everyone that all of them, they share all the therapies with love, with patience. So I'm pretty sure that all of us, we can share then in other places the same way that they share here the treatment.
Having a reflection, like why this academy is calling Somos India, we are India. And I know that maybe we don't belong to India. All of us from Chile, from Mexico, from Bolivia, we didn't born in India. But all this experience, all the love that you give to us, all the love of the teachers teaching us, giving all these amazing days, makes us feel that we have a little part of India, that we are from this big family, that we belong also about like with this nature, this land, all this magic land. So I think I want to thank you a lot to everyone. Thank you.
So, well, there's always, I always feel like that I need more words to express what I'm feeling. Like being here with all these people that has been with us since many, many years, and just receiving all these words and just seeing in their face the emotion. This is for us like the best gift that we can ever have. And for us, it's very profound to be connected with 𝐸𝐶 Ayurveda, with all the doctors, all the therapists. Like we really feel like we are a family. We are doing this work for the well-being of the world. And I know that all these seeds that we have planted in the heart of our students will be growth with an amazing, good energy, and they will be our expression. They will be the expression of all what we've been living here. So yeah, I just want to say thank you to all of you for trusting in us. No, it was like, we just been in this perfect time at the perfect moment. So everything just starts to flourish, and we feel very safe here. And for us, this is very important. So thank you to all of you. Y gracias a nuestros hermosos, maravillosos estudiantes por confiar en nosotros. Sabemos que no es fácil, todos tuvieron que dejar muchas cosas, invertir tiempo, invertir dinero, invertir estudio. O sea, esto yo sé lo que significa para cada uno de ustedes, y quiero que sepan que lo valoramos profundamente, y siempre vamos a estar aquí con ustedes para apoyarlos en los proyectos. Somos uno y vamos caminando juntos. Como les dije al principio, si uno quiere ir rápido va solo, pero nosotros queremos ir lejos, y por eso es que vamos con ustedes, vamos acompañados. Los amo profundamente, y nunca esto va a ser una despedida, es siempre un nuevo comienzo, y ustedes saben que aquí tienen a su familia. Nosotros, nuestro corazón está al servicio de ustedes siempre.
For the work that we have done here, thank you for being here with us. The work that we have done is really amazing. For us to work with 𝐸𝐶 Ayurveda is fantastic. Gave us a lot of opportunities to grow and to keep on learning and expanding this beautiful science of Ayurveda, not only in Chile and in the Spanish-speaking countries, but also beyond all the borders. we realize with Somos India that our Dharma is to express Ayurveda, to share this, because more people will get to know this beautiful science and will get the benefits also of the Ayurveda. So we will not finish here. We know that we have to continue for a long time, and you are part of our family. You will be with us always, in our heart, in our soul. You mark ourselves in a very profound way. So we are really, really grateful. And we wish that we will walk this path of Ayurveda together with a lot of devotion, a lot of love, happiness, consciousness. And we always have to remember that Ayurveda is for the well-being of the humanity, for the health. And also remember that India has given to us this beautiful science, also yoga, meditation, spirituality. So we have to be very grateful to be here in India, in this beautiful land. So thank you so much to everyone.
And the first, I'm feeling in the community, and this is what is the most important right now for me. This is this connection, and I am not a little bee in my country, but we are the really community who works for change the world and make the life easier and happy for everybody. And this is thank you very much for you that you support us and to support of our idea and to accept different way to go with Ayurveda to them and no wait then start to come here. And thank you very much for this. Thank you for your support, Dr. Akhuram, because really you are big support for me when I needed to some diagnosis. And Dr. Shilpa Sindhu Surdushan, thank you very much because you are always present, and I feel safe and the clients, patients in Poland as well. This is important for being.
I'm Eva, I'm a massage therapist, and I also teach massage therapies in Poland. First of all, I would like to say that I feel really privileged that I'm part of your celebration, and we all celebrate Ayurveda here. And Ayurveda personally helped me a lot, and I would love to share it in Poland with everybody.
ಸುದ್ದಿ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ